Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Port Elgin is a small village in southeastern New Brunswick, located in Westmoreland County near the border with Nova Scotia. It sits close to the Northumberland Strait and is only a short drive from the Confederation Bridge to Prince Edward Island. Because of its location, Port Elgin has long served as a gateway between New Brunswick, Nova Scotia, and Prince Edward Island. The village combines a rural atmosphere with convenient access to major transportation routes, making it an important stop for both residents and travelers. Port Elgin has a population of about 450 people. Although it is a small community, it serves the surrounding rural area with local businesses, schools, and services. Many residents enjoy the slower pace of life while remaining within commuting distance of larger centres such as Sackville and Amherst, Nova Scotia. The village is surrounded by farmland, forests, and rivers, giving it a distinctly rural character. Long before European settlement, the area was part of the traditional territory of the Mi'kmaq people, who traveled through the region for hunting, fishing, and trade. European settlement increased during the late 1700s and early 1800s as Acadian families, loyalists, and other settlers established farms and businesses. The community was originally known as Bay Verte Corner, before being renamed Port Elgin in the late 1800s, honoring James Bruce, the 8th Earl of Elgin, who served as Governor-General of British North America. Agriculture has always been one of the area's most important industries. The fertile land surrounding Port Elgin supports dairy farms, beef cattle, potato production, grain crops, and mixed farming. Forestry also provides employment, with nearby woodlands supporting logging operations and wood processing businesses. Tourism contributes to the local economy, particularly during the summer months. Port Elgin is close to several beaches along the Northumberland Strait, where the water is among the warmest found anywhere in Canada. The village is also a convenient stop for people traveling to and from Prince Edward Island, using the nearby Confederation Bridge. The arrival of the railway during the 1800s helped Port Elgin grow as a transportation and service centre for the surrounding farming communities. Rail service made it easier to move agricultural products, timber, and other goods to larger markets. While rail traffic is no longer as important as it once was, the transportation routes established during that period helped shape the community's development and economy. Housing in Port Elgin remains affordable compared with many parts of Canada. Most homes are detached houses on spacious lots, and many properties have large yards. In recent years, average home prices have generally ranged between about $250,000 and $350,000, although newer homes, farms, and larger rural properties may sell for more depending on their size and location. Today, Port Elgin continues to be a welcoming rural community where agriculture, forestry, tourism, and small businesses support the local economy. Its location near the Nova Scotia border and close to Prince Edward Island gives it an importance beyond its size. With its farming heritage, natural surroundings, and convenient location, Port Elgin remains an important part of southeastern New Brunswick and a community that continues to adapt while maintaining its rural character. Thanks for watching!